y'all, this is Grace at Living Well Realty. Today I am back in the Bridges at Preston crossing, checking up on this stunning home behind me built by Mattamy Homes. This is the Alexander 2 plan and we have a lot of progress, so let's go take a look. All right, y'all, the sun is starting to set, so I'm gonna try to move fast, but look how beautiful your exterior is. I love this elevation, so pretty. We also have a really good sunset. All right, I'm excited to hop inside and show you the progress that we've seen. So walking in this main entryway, I love how open it is in here. So nice wide hallways. This looks all the way up to the second story, as you can see. Super cool. All right, so I'm gonna step into the office right over here. So as you can see, the electrical rough out is done. So all of that wire that's running through the walls, showing where your outlets and switches are. And then your mechanical rough out is done. So I'll give you a look at that. Plumbing, windows, framing, obviously. And then your fireplace is installed as well. So here is that other bedroom downstairs, which is so nice to have a second bedroom downstairs. Great for resale, and so many people have older parents or grandparents that might come stay with them, so it's really nice to have a space for them. Here is that ensuite bathroom, so we have the tub installed, and then obviously this is going to be where the toilet goes, and then your vanity, so you have your hot and cold water running down these pipes. And then right across the way we have the laundry. So again, we are plumbed, ready for your hot and cold water. Electrical outlet is installed. Looking great. Now before I show you all the main living space, I want to hop down here, take a look at the primary suite. And then here is that half bathroom. So again, you can see you'll have the vanity and then the toilet. And then this right here is where you'll come in from the garage. So you'll have kind of a drop space for backpacks, shoes, coats, and then really nice 3-car garage. Something I love about this community is that they have such wide lots so that they have room to do that 3rd car. The side-by-side especially is so nice. Even if you don't have that many cars, just an extra space to store things. So let's look at the bedroom first. So this is the primary suite. I know it's getting a little dark, I'm sorry, but hopefully you can still see it's looking great. Wired. And then we have this huge primary bathroom. So all back here is going to be the shower. You have the shower bench framed out, and then sinks on either side. Then we have the water closet, and then your primary coat closet, clothes. Lots of room back here. Really nice. I love how tucked away this primary suite is, being kind of off this hidden hallway. It feels so private back there, kind of like a resort. This right here is just a little extra storage space, great for suitcases or things you don't use all the time. All right, so this is your main living space. The fireplace is installed. We have windows all the way up there. And this is looking great. So I do want to show y'all, so this pipe right here, that is going to be for the gas. So that goes to the fireplace, and then we'll see it again in the kitchen going to the stove. So this is what your gas line looks like, and then your electrical is this white wire. right, here's a look at the kitchen. So this plumbing is going to be for the island. And then all along here, we'll have cabinets. I think Mattamy does a really pretty kitchen, so I'm really excited to see this come together. So pretty. And then this is the dining space, so very open layout. And then your patio is also really pretty. So huge covered patio back here, backing up to the tree line. This is gonna be such a nice space. I'm so excited. All right, let's hop upstairs. So this floor plan kind of has a little bit of everything. They have the office downstairs, second guest suite downstairs, and then this up here is the game room. So just a space that you can use however works best. Some people, will put a dry bar up here and a pool table. For some people, it's a great homework space. So just kind of depends on your family and what they would use it most for. But you have some windows, you can kind of see the golf course out there. And then all of this up here, that's your mechanical. So when you hear us say the mechanical rough out, this is what we're talking about. All of those air ducts, that's gonna moderate the airflow throughout the home. And then we have a closet right here. And then these 2 bedrooms up here are very good size. Closet. And then all of this is going to be open railing. Then we'll look at this 4th bedroom. So we are still in the front of the house right now. So great space. You'll have this closet here. See all of this. That's your mechanical, so it goes up into the attic and then flows to keep the temperature controlled. And then this is that other full bathroom. So another window up here, which is great. Then we have the tub, plumbing, toilet, and sink. And of course your mechanical looks great. This house is gonna be beautiful, y'all. I'm so excited. All right, y'all, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I am so excited to continue coming back and seeing the progress for this stunning home. Again, if you are watching this wanting to buy or build, I would love to help you. So click that link below, reach out to me, and until then, y'all stay blessed.